Welcome to this video fitting a new Cybersen Humidity sensor in a Primeline bathroom fan. Turn off the electricity supply, not just the switch to the fan. Take the screw covers out, undo the screws. Careful not to drop the cover. That's the humidity and timer adjustment. We need to undo some connections. So that's the sensor, and it's connected to the right hand side of the electrical board. Remember the power's off at this point. Unscrew the sensor, take the wire out. We can split the sensor open with a family knife, it's not glued together. That's the sensor. Snip off the old sensor. And solder on the new one. Just need to shorten that insulation so the housing goes back up. And there we are, housing back together. Refitting just the reverse, so reconnect the electrical connections, refit the sensor into its housing, keep the wires out of the fan, pop the cover back on. And here we can adjust. So you can adjust the time it runs for, and you can adjust the humidity at which it cuts off. Should be back to as it was when it was new. And there we are, all working. Pop the cover back on. Finally stick the screw cups on.